In this video, I explain how to read a CSV file in Python. At first step, import pandas. Pandas is the library of Python that is used for cleaning, analyzing and reading the dataset. So, to read CSV files, at first step, import pandas and then import OS. OS is the built-in module in Python that is used for managing directories and files. So because we want to load file, so we need OS, import OS. At next step, os dot get cwd. Get means we attain cwd current working directory. We need current working directory. Run. This is my current working directory. C is the folder of my computer, and next is user and slash Adnan. This is my current working directory. In this folder I store my data, because CSV file store here in Adnan folder. So to read this, I go through these three steps. First, import pandas as PD, because panda is the library that is used to managing data, and then import OS. OS file is the built-in module that is used to manage the files, and then os dot get current working directory. I use this command. So now df is the abbreviation of data frame. Df is the abbreviation of data frame. PD dot read, because we want to read the file underscore CSV file. We read the file. PD is the we get from pandas. PD dot read underscore file, and then write the name of file. I write file name data, and all letters are small there, because Python is case sensitive language. So if you use capital letters, then write here capital letters. If you use small letters, then write small letters. So this is a name. Next I used print command. Print df, because all our data is stored in df. Now click on run. Here is the dataset: Maralla, Khanki and Kadrabad. These are three gauging stations of Chenab River Basin, and 13 values are stored there. So I read my file. Next, at next step, I want to analyze this dataset, and then I further proceed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel.